A power line worker has one of the most dangerous jobs in America, requiring employees to possess extensive technical and safety knowledge before they step foot on a pole. Because of the hazardous elements faced daily, proper training is critical to a learner's job performance and personal safety. That's what makes DAC Worldwide's Transformer Connections training system so advantageous. It replicates the conditions and circumstances a utility worker encounters when making common transformer connections in the field. Using this trainer, students will explore the skills that an operator must master in order to conduct modern generating equipment, such as the paralleling of generators and connecting to larger power grids. Safety is key in this training system, as all of the real-world learning activities can be performed at reduced voltages to help ensure protection. For example, a 4100-volt source is stepped down to create a 41-volt system, allowing students to grow accustomed to real-line voltages without the potential of being hurt. The complete system includes 14 different transformer cans, which are wired with different configurations for a variety of setups. Learners are also exposed to both single-phase and three-phase systems, providing a well-rounded training experience for whatever situation they might encounter in the field. For a safe, inexpensive, efficient, yet realistic alternative to paper-based learning and full-voltage field experience, consider DAC Worldwide's Transformer Connections training system to help prepare your future utility technicians.